The search bar in Teamwork Projects allows you to quickly search through your entire Teamwork Projects installation to find exactly what you're looking for. And with the advanced search functionality, you can easily refine and optimize your search. To perform a search, all we need to do is select the search bar up here, and now you can see that we can immediately start refining our results. So we can search specifically through things like tasks, notebooks, files, milestones, and more. Down here we can toggle on or off whether or not we want to only search our current project. So let's just say I'll leave that on for now. And I'm going to search specifically through tasks here. And now we just need to put in what we're searching for. So now you can see that we've got 3 results returned here. And if we select any of these tasks, we'll be taken to that task in Teamwork Projects. And now that we've looked at our basic search, let's have a quick look at our advanced search. So again, we just go to our search bar here, and then down the bottom you can see the option for advanced search. So over here we just need to put in what we're searching for. So I'll say media. Down here we can select a project. So I'll just stick with all projects for now. If we select more options here, we can choose exactly which parts of our installation we want to search through. So let's say that I don't want calendar events, task comments, or milestone comments. And I don't want to search through archived messages or archived projects. Over here we can also choose how to order our list. So we can order by name or order by date last updated. And then once we're happy with all of our options here, we just select search. And there you go, now we can see all of our results returned. So we can see we have 5 tasks, 9 task lists, 13 notebooks, etc. And again, we can click into any of these and be taken to that page. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use search in Teamwork Projects. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.